just now we were talking about the kind of the difference between doing breast reductions and breast lifts. A breast reduction is removing enough weight that you get rid of these symptoms that you have and all that. And a breast lift is just repositioning the nipple, getting rid of the extra skin and restoring the shape. But really the only difference between doing a breast reduction and a breast lift is removing tissue in a breast reduction and just removing skin with a breast lift. But you can't do a breast reduction without lifting it, because all of those things have to happen. The extra skin comes out with the tissue, the nipple has to be repositioned, the shape is kind of remade. There are a lot of women who have the question that you were asking,
yes,
whether or not is it going to be lifted. And I actually have heard patients whose doctors had kind of told them, well, I can make it a lot smaller, but if you want it to be lifted, then that's a separate operation, which is, it's really not the case. It's one operation and it's supposed to be like that. But considering that you're not wearing anything that's holding everything up, I think that's pretty good.
I love them.
Yeah, so reduced, good size, good shape, and they take care of themselves as far as being held up. That's also why you get so much of an improvement here, because your bra is not doing the work of holding everything up. Now your skin is doing it.
That's right.
And it's important to still wear supportive garments, because over time, if you're not, then the skin stretches, because there's weight there, obviously.
Of course, gravity takes over.
Yeah, it's going to stretch if you don't. So you want to still wear something supportive, but you don't have to wear 3 sport bras like from before.
Right.
And your little grooves are much better. Right. And you're standing straight up.
Yes.
She wasn't standing straight up before, I can tell you that. I remember she was very hunched over and feeling much better. So now you understand the whole thing about the breast lift.
I got it.
And I really try, the first thing that a lot of women are wondering about, and they ask toward the end of the visit when I first talked to them about the surgery, is, so I've seen a couple of doctors about this, and I'm worried that when I have this reduction that it's just going to be smaller, but kind of hanging down here and sideways and all that. And it really is part of the operation. That's why it looks nice.
Right.
And your bathing suits look good. And all
Yes.
that. All right, good. So there you go. It's all lifted up.
Thank you for clarity.
All right.